Hi, and welcome to one of our a year on and a little bit videos about products we've bought and used. Have we come across any problems with them? Are they any good? Faults, etc. Quality? Would we buy another one? So today we're looking at the DeWalt DWE560-GB 1350 watt circular saw. Can you remember what this was price wise? Screwfix.
199 or 149 from Screwfix,
Right.
but obviously prices change a lot.
Okay. Reliability, excellent. Cutting, excellent. Design, excellent. Any problems with it? No. The only thing we've had to change is the blade, which is down to us cutting so much with it. I mean, you just see nothing has really gone on. It's as good as it was the day we bought it, to be honest.
So what sort of stuff off the top of your head have you cut with this? Because I know we've cut.
Right, fence posts, fencing, laminate, timber joists,
sheets of ply and MDF,
sheets of ply, MDF, bottoms of doors,
old wood, new
wood, doors. I mean, literally, you name it, we've cut it with it wood-wise, I would say, and we haven't had a problem with it. You can still see today, cables all intact.
Strain relief boot is still flexible and rubber.
Cables fine.
The only reservation I did have about it when we first got it was, yes, it does have a rubber plug, and it's held up. It's not a plastic plug. It's not really a reservation.
Well, it's a year on.
It's not. Sorry, it's not a reservation at all. My mistake. We have got another tool where it is a plastic plug.
Yeah,
that's,
right.
That's my mistake.
A year on, and apart from its obvious use, nothing's come out of shape. Everything tightens up.
The mechanism inside works.
Everything drops up and down. Everything locks down. Is it reliable? Yeah. Cuts really good. Cuts accurately. Guide bar I've got somewhere. Just been using it, say, for something else. So would we recommend this DeWalt? Yeah, absolutely. Would we buy another one? Absolutely. I've bought cheaper circular saws in the past. It doesn't pay. If you can afford it, save your money and get one of these.
This was probably about double of what you'd pay on a cheaper
it's just
one.
We were messing around, not messing around, but with doors and things, and we wanted accurate cuts, and we didn't want to keep wasting money. This was a massive asset when I was fitting a kitchen with IKEA kitchen. Various bits and bobs cutting it. So just bear that in mind, that if you've got a cheap circular saw, it can cost you a lot of money if the cuts aren't accurate, especially for example, we've got oak thresholds that we've put down. Well, they're £10–12 each. Doesn't seem a lot, but if you've got to throw one away because it's got a dodgy cut on it because of the saw, then it's cost you £24 instead of 12. So this saw soon starts paying for itself with the quality of cut and finish. Anyway, a year on, excellent, still works as is, apart from the obvious use. Would we buy another one? Yeah, we would. Yeah,
we do have a few DeWalt tools now, and they're all the same quality, and they've lasted.
Good thing if it's got brushes that you can change for the motor. I haven't checked those. Doesn't seem to be a problem.
We haven't done any maintenance to the subway, apart from changing the blade.
Bit 3-in-1 oil here and there and that.
Okay, so, we've done a little bit of, but nothing huge.
No. So if this helps you decide whether you're going to invest, because it is an investment, one of these saws, you might never use it a few times, but it'll pay for itself. Then if we've helped you make your decision, why not help us along a little bit and subscribe to our video channel, please. Thank you for watching.